everybody, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, it's another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. That's what we did last month. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into the unbagging. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, but where have you been? You've been missing out on these amazing videos. What Ipsy is it's a subscription service that is $10 a month, and what we like to do... Oh, you got that? Stop that. Focus. She has something cool in her bio.
Ipsy is a monthly subscription service, and it is custom made to you when you sign up. When you sign up, you fill out everything, and it sends you your preferences, supposedly, so yeah.
Yeah, and the thing about us is I have more normal to oily skin.
I have dry to combo.
Yes, so it's always fun to see if we do get a different bag. So I'm going to go ahead and let her start off because I always get thrown off if I start first.
So the theme for this month's Ipsy is Pride because June is Pride Month. I got this yellow bag. I already opened my bag. It's just 3 different shades of yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, so I love this bag. But the first thing I got in my bag is this brush from Firma Beauty. It's just a nice little
That's what caught my eye.
Yeah, this is what caught her eye in the beginning. It's a nice little blush brush. Also, I would like to just say I'm wearing my boyfriend's sweatshirt because I changed into my pajamas already and I wasn't going to change back to film this
because we just got home from celebrating her 18th birthday. Yes.
Tomorrow,
the 20th is actually her birthday, but when this goes up, it will already have been her birthday.
Oh, me a legal adult.
I am. But actually, at this point in time, this evening, I am actually in labor 18 years ago because it was 27 hours of labor. You're welcome. Okay, so the first item in my bag, dude, I've gotten these before.
That looks so cool.
Isn't it cute though?
That's like so quiet.
It's sheet mask, but look, it's not just one. I can see that there's multiples in there. These are BioBell, which I think when they gave them to me last year in Boxy, I forgot to use them. So it's 2
Unicorn Glow. Hillary, look at this.
Chocolate mulberry and honey. I'm going to want to eat this.
Slime and spell.
Yes. Slime inspo is what Haley said. This is really cute. So it's paraben-free, gluten-free, no GMOs. Nice. Okay, so I'm excited about this because y'all know I love me my sheet masks.
Okay, what color is your bag? Did you pull your bag out yet?
Oh no. And my bag is the same. Did everybody get the same?
I have a friend who gets Ipsy and she did get the same bag. She also agrees with me that it's not very, it doesn't remind us of Pride at all. It would have been something if
rainbow.
Everyone got a different color or there was a little rainbow keychain on it or something like that. But I was I just assumed everyone got a different color. But she also got yellow, and now that Mom's gotten yellow, I'm assuming every bag is yellow. I like that.
I like it. Hillary and Bo are in the room, by the way, guys. Say hi. But, yeah, I mean, for Pride, I would have thought, rainbows on this or something.
Remember the one time they had the keychain with when I was traveling with the airplane on it? You would think there'd be, a rainbow on it. But there is a heart, so I guess that's considered, but... So the first thing that's actually in my bag, and that's not in the little packaging, is this Hey Honey Come Clean facial scrub, and it says it's for all skin types. So it's just a little...
I like that brand.
I want to smell it.
It literally feels like honey. Okay, so the first item, the second item I received was Makeup Forever Step 1 Base Hydrating Primer. Hydrating primer.
Yeah.
Hi, I have normal to oily skin. We're going to start this again, Ipsy. I see how it is. Cool.
Sometimes I like when Mom gets stuff that doesn't work for her because then she gives it to me because she's already tried it, so she can't give it away.
Bo and Hillary are smelling.
I don't like the face scrub. It smells very honey-like. Oh, it's the already.
Okay, your next item.
Okie dokie, hold on, close up. Okie dokie, so my next item in here, something I really like. This is the Professional Pore Primer. It is just a little itty bitty baby sample of it, so look at how cute. This is one of my favorite primers, so I was very excited that this was in my bag.
Okay, so the next item I got is Delectable Body Butter Cream Triple Citrus Blend. I'm okay with this because I'm all about that. It's whipped, rich, and fluffy.
Ooh.
Oh, triple citrus. Hold on, I gotta take the doohickey off.
Oh, and this is the little
oh yeah.
the little thing. It says flying colors on it. Ipsy 2018. Smells like coconuts.
Oh, I love that. Citrus. Oh my gosh, I love
citrus. What smells like coconuts?
Yeah.
Doesn't match the description, but it smells amazing.
It smells really good.
It smells like pineapples and coconuts.
That is pretty good.
That's
right.
I like it.
Oh,
well, I'm really happy. Good job, Ipsy.
Okie dokie. So the next thing that I have in my little bag is this Pacifica Tomboy vibe.
Well, because the one time I got Pacifica, remember, was all these god awful purples.
Yeah.
Ooh, don't say.
My video with Kaylee when I chose all the purples.
No, these were like hideous purples nobody uses. Purples.
So, oh my gosh, I can't get it out.
You want scissors? Those are actually not hideous.
It's like a little, it's 5 shades in here. It's the Tomboy Vibes little one.
That's what
Kim
Kim got.
Let me open it really quick. Oh, never mind, it's taped shut. Literally the only like fun color like that would be like rainbowy is there's a lime green color in there, but all the other ones are neutral, so I don't think that's really Pride at all. Like Pride related, you know?
Oh, because this is supposed to be
nothing in my bag so far has. This is literally the.
Oh, sure enough, yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is not Pride themed. It's a Luxie brush, but that's cool. I like this kind. It's a nice little packing brush. Hillary's
I like those for
sneaking in.
I like those for going on my eyebrows with concealer.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
the last thing I got in here is the Holly.
Yes,
Holly lip treatment in the color mauve pink. And this is a little tube. And that's everything for my bag. Oh wow, that's pretty.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so the last thing I got is by Deuce, I think is how you say it. And it's lip stain and a color that I'm not like a huge fan of. Do you guys see? Okay, it looks lighter. Hillary's hand just keeps popping in. Sorry, guys. It looks lighter because of the lights, but it is kind of a.
It's like a dark,
I mean, it's pretty,
it's like a pinky
but
red.
I think I could survive without. I don't want to take the doohickey off.
Ew.
See? Ew.
I think it's cute.
I mean, it's pretty, but I don't know.
That's
I mean,
like a darker.
it kind of reminds me. Let me see. No. Like, I like this Marc Jacobs one, which is really light, but this is much darker. Do you guys see the difference? There's a difference there. I don't know. Just, it's not my jam. Okay, overall thoughts?
My overall thoughts on the bag is I like what I got. I don't know if I use this Pacifica thing. I like that I got a primer and the lip mask. That's cool. The scrub, I'll probably take that just when I go to my dad's, just when I need a face exfoliator. I always need a good brush because I hate cleaning my brushes. But overall, I don't think that it was very themed towards Pride. The only thing that I got that even reminded me remotely of Pride, besides the little paper that came inside, was the lime green eyeshadow in the Tomboy Vibes palette and the bright yellow bag.
Okay, so my thoughts on it. I love these masks. I love sheet masks. I love this. This is the body cream, which isn't shut. Oh goodness. I've heard really good things about Makeup Forever's primers, but this is a hydrating one, so maybe something I can use in the fall or the winter, but definitely not in the summertime. The Luxie brush, like I said, I love Luxie brushes. I think this is one I can definitely use, like Haley said, to carve out my eyebrows, to do a little packing, something like that. And let me know if you guys got this shade. I'm always curious to know whether or not, if you get this brand, do you get this shade or do you get a different shade? Because in my profile, I have on there that I'm more like nudes and naturals and things like that. Not this color. So anyways, overall, I think it was okay for a $10 bag. What do you think? Like,
yeah, I liked my bag. I'd give it like maybe a 7 out of 10. The score is only like relatively low just because like the theme was Pride, and I don't think that the theme went.
Yeah, I have to agree with you on that. So anyways, that is everything that was in our Ipsy bags for June 2018. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We had everybody here. Bo didn't get in frame, but oh, there he is.
Okay, yeah. Bye, I love you.
So anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. As well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before you go, I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, typically about noon Eastern Standard Time. So like I said, if you'd like to see more of my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But until next time, oh, and there's still a giveaway going on my channel until July 8th. I will leave that link down in the description box below for you guys. All you have to do is go down, click on that video, go to that video, like, comment how to get a hold of you, and subscribe, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. But anyways, that's it. So until next time, my friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!